So I wanted to show you guys a quick and easy Valentine's hairstyle with Microlocs. I'm already starting off with curls. You know, you can do curls with satin rollers, rods, Bantu knot outs, whatever you prefer. So in this video, you're going to be seeing me work this hairstyle. I'm using a goodie band and hairpins. That's all you need. So if you're like me, I'm not a hairstylist, but I can kind of do my hair. This is the perfect hairstyle for you. As I'm styling my hair, you're gonna kind of see me experimenting with it. So I start off with the 2 locks out on the side, but I decide in the middle that it's really not the best look. So that's kind of what this style is all about. You just want to fit it to your face, to your head. So just work with it a little bit. So goodie bands and hairpins, I have a link down below for you to purchase you some if you need them. Thanks for watching.